it's not true that when a party goes to court, you go to court to frustrate. If a tea farmer feels aggrieved by a decision of the national government, then the only recourse that that tea farmer has is to go to court. That is what the rule of law dictates, that you go to court and place before the court your grievances and ask the court to look at them. And if they have merit, the court will make a determination in your favor. If they have no merit, the court will dismiss your case. The government itself has an opportunity to come to court and present their side of the story. If they disagree with the complaints of what the farmer has said, then they will present that version to the satisfaction of the court, and the court will make a determination. So going to court is not a frustration. It's what the Constitution itself contemplated. The entities which have gone to court are tea factory companies. These tea factory companies are owned by the tea farmers themselves. The shareholders are the tea farmers themselves. Just like any other institution, the tea farmers running to 600,000 in number cannot be all leaders at the same time. So what do? Each year? They elect their representatives. And these representatives are called directors. So that the directors who are elected make decisions for and on behalf of the electorates, who are the tea farmers. So the tea directors sit and make decisions of their on behalf of their electorates. These tea directors are in office by virtue of being elected. They have not appointed themselves into those offices. Any decision that they make for and on behalf of the electorates, who are the tea farmers. And therefore, the cases that are in court are by the tea farmers and not the tea directors. Directors do not own anything other than also themselves being also shareholders. They only act, these are donated mandate on behalf of their own electorates. And therefore, it cannot be true that these tea directors do not have the mandate. They have the mandate of their own electorates, who are the tea farmers. And secondly, it cannot be true that these directors are not in office procedural regularly. They are in office regularly. Nobody has removed them from the office. Remember, the Tea Act did not come to remove people from office. The Tea Act brought restrictions to the persons who would be in office and who would be in future be elected into office. It cannot be a government directive that a term of a director has come to an end. No. The directors who are in office currently in the tea factory companies are properly in office. They are holding their office properly and legally. None of them is improperly in office. And therefore, that announcement by the minister that the tea directors of the tea companies are illegal in office cannot be right because, and I'm sure he knows that he is not right and he cannot be right. And if at all there will be any dispute as to whether or not they are legally in office, then it's not for the government to state. If the government thinks otherwise, then the best avenue ordinarily is for the government to take measures through the courts to say that maybe these directors are acting illegally.